Hi everyone, welcome back again to another video. If it's your first time coming across my channel here on YouTube, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me here. So today we are going to be answering questions. A lot of people ask me how much do they need to start up a wig business. If you want to start up a wig business and you don't follow who know road, you're going to lose and you're going to chop all your business money. So without wasting your time, you guys, let's just dive. At a point I'll be putting the questions in the screen. So this particular lady, she asked me how much does she need to start a human hair business and hair accessories as well. You need approximately 1.8 million naira to 2 million to 3 million naira, but you can budget at 2 million naira. Why I'm saying 2 million naira, the sending fee, which is the shipping fee, is added. And since you are adding hair accessories, you can get hair accessories of maybe of 200k. You understand? Hair accessories of 200,000 naira. So everything in between is like 2.2 million naira. That's how much you can use and start. That is for human hair and curly hair. So they are going to mix it up for you. You can get like almost 10 from the hair, or 15 from the hair, or 20 pieces, depend the length. If you want something like this, very long like this is what I'm wearing, what I'm putting on is 30 inches. Yes, it's very long, 30 inches. You guys, can you see? So if you want something like this in human hair for you to sell, like, is a bit expensive. So the curly hair, depend the type of curly. We have water curls, we have Bumio coils, we have Amotola coils, we have PSC coils, like different type of coils. You understand? Since you are mixing them, you are mixing the hair. 2.2 million naira is okay, plus the hair accessories. This particular lady also asked how much does she need to start a raw donor, like Brazilian and all those Mongolian, Vietnam hair, all rices. You need approximately about 8 million to 10 million naira. Yes, plus shipping fee, 8 to 10 million naira to start up a raw donor hair. I'm going to be showing you an example. Something like this. This is a raw donor hair. Yes, these are original Brazilian hair. Let me bring them out so that you can see. And this type is bone straight. This type is bone straight. Have you seen how it looks like? It's very soft, very soft. It's very soft. So you need this type. You need something longer than this. This is actually 20 inches. This is 20 inches. And this in Accra cost 3,500 Ghana cedis for a bond like this. This is the 5x5 closure. Yes, this is raw donor, bone straight. And this type of hair are very expensive, so you need 8 to 10 million naira to start it. So that, because if you start with 5 million naira, you are going to get maybe like 4 to 5 pieces of the hair. You understand? So to get about 20 pieces or 30 pieces, you need about 8 to 10 million naira. You understand? Because you're going to be getting it in length, in shorter form. At least you mix the hair. You don't just buy one form of hair. And the long ones of this raw donor hair are very expensive. You understand? So you need 8 to 10 million naira. Lady also asked how much does she need to start blend hair and human hair as well. Okay, with a blend hair, you will need like to get about 20 to 30 pieces, or you want 100 pieces for blend hair particular. You will need about, let's say, 800,000. Yes, 800,000 naira. You will need 800,000 naira to get massive one from it. But with the human hair, if you want to add human hair to the blend hair, you are going to need 1.1 million or 1.2 million naira. Yes, and you also get massive. You can get up to 20 pieces all right, because this hair is not just shorts you are buying, you are also buying long ones. For instance, you are buying 24 inches, 16 inches, 18 inches, 20 inches. You understand. But if you are buying short one, you also need about 750,000 naira, and we should give you few hair. Few, it's not enough. Few. So with the few hair, with the shipping fee and everything, you're not going to gain from it. You are not going to gain a lot from it, but you can invest like 1 million naira straight plus shipping fee. You understand? So any of you, if you are interested, I can teach you how to import all this hair. And I also have a legit contact, because I'm also a hair seller and hair accessories seller as well. All right, so I know in and out of the business, and my supplier are legit. They don't cheat. They don't do wrong thing with your money. What you order is what you get. So if you want to start the business with me and you want to import the hair direct from my supplier, send a DM. All right, and these hair are pretty affordable. We get it. So, and also consigning hair, any hair we want to go into, I'll advise that you also buy a packet hair. You understand? Let me show you examples of human hair. Like this is human hair. Let me show you another one. Like this as well is human hair. As you can see, it's bouncing, it's very soft. This is human hair. It doesn't pull at all. All right, and also you can buy some of the packet hair as well, because some people also prefer the hair, like not the one in the cap. Some people want to also do it by themselves. You understand? And also you see the glueless gele, they have hair. You have to also add those ones as well. The pony hair, the one they use for packing gel, you have to also add that one as well. Anything hair, you have to add all round. You understand? All round. And also say the glueless one as well. It's not just closure alone. A lot of people want glueless. You understand? A lot of people want something that when they buy it from you, they can cut the lengths themselves, or if they want to style it, like some that you can pluck, they send it to the salon. A lot of people don't need stress. All right, and I will always give you tips. When you start your hair business, please and please be paying yourself. You can be paying yourself 150 Ghana cedis, like 220,000 naira. Yes, starting with, you understand, so that you will not be tempted to take your hair money and go and do other things. If not, you will not be able to continue with the business. This is the business that you have started. You are looking towards, in the next 1 week or 3 weeks, you have sold all the hair, to send the money back to the supplier, so that the supplier will send you the hair and you continue with your customers. And always run adverts on the business that you are doing. It's a way of massive selling. New customers will come in. Old customers are still there. Try running adverts on your business so that you can get people that are looking for the type of hair that you are selling to patronize from you. You understand? Don't sell credit. Don't sell credit. I will always say this. Business is not meant for friends. There is no friends in business. There is no family in business. When you want my business, you gotta patronize me. And I want you to have that principle as well. There is no, I will give you money tomorrow. No. Because your supplier that you are going to get the hair from will not listen to that. I will send you the money tomorrow. No. It's strictly business. When you have friends, I expect your friends to patronize you, buy from you. Oh, sis, I want this hair. How much is it? Okay, I'm sending you the money. That's a way of supporting. All right? Don't ever sell credit. I'm still saying, don't ever sell credit. There is no credit in business, because this is the business you just started. and you want to be selling and rebuy, you understand? So don't ever sell credit. And also don't use the money that is meant for business to do other things, like to go and use it to help, because that money is meant for business. Let it remain for business. The money for helping, God will provide. You can use your interest if you want, and from your interest also be saving as well, so that you can add other things like makeup, lipstick, hair accessories, you understand? Because you don't just want to focus on one particular hair. You understand what I'm saying? So please be mindful. A lot of people have started business and they failed out of that business because they know nothing about the business. You understand? I've come to the end of this topic. Thank you for all the questions. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. If you like this particular video, please subscribe, comment, share this video to encourage others as well. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Bye.